Finding the right pair of premium headphones can be a daunting task. After all, they come in all sorts of shapes, sizes and prices. In this episode, we're going to be looking at a pair from Focal, which will hopefully make things a little more clear. Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds, and in today's episode we're going to be looking at a pair of headphones from French loudspeaker powerhouse Focal, the Clear MGs. Focal are relatively new to the headphone game, bringing out their first pair in 2012. So let's crack open the box and take a look at what you get inside. You've got your accessories box here. You've actually got a slightly magnetised door on them which sort of snaps shut. Ooh! You got that cool matte black instruction manual envelope in there as well. It's almost like you're getting some secret instructions from somebody. A couple of different options here for how you hook it up to your music. So in this instance, you've got a single XLR output which goes from your stereo to the headphones, or you've got a more traditional jack output which again goes to the headphones. So either way you're covered. Looks like you get a travel case with the headphones, which is brilliant. You've got a sturdy leather handle on there. But it's nice to know that you're covered in case you do want to take them out and about. You know they're going to be high quality. Just taking them out of their case, they feel premium. For anyone wondering why they're called the Clear MGs, that's because of the magnesium coil that they choose to use for the drive units. You've got those deep, comfortable, breathable pads on there as well, so they're really thinking about those long music sessions. And like I mentioned earlier, you can see those two left and right jack inputs on either side. A really high quality carry case. Even the accessories that come with these headphones are exceptionally well made. And there we have them, the Focal Clear MGs. These are an absolute must for anyone out there with a high-end system who's looking for their next pair of premium headphones. If you'd like to hear the Clear MGs for yourself or any of our other premium headphones, you should give us a call or pop down to your local store today to arrange a demo. You can also click the link below to find your nearest store. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. But for now, thank you for joining me for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.